नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रूपसन वर्णी, महाराष्ट्र जनता में सह स्वागत करता हूँ। आज देखिए मैं यहाँ पे नेस्को सेंटर में हूँ। आईआईजीएस का शो यहाँ पे हो रहा है। तो आईआईजीएस था खास करके देश विदेश से यहाँ पे एग्जीबिटर हिस्सा लेते हैं। गोल्ड हो, सिल्वर हो, डायमंड हो, जेम्स हो और ज्वेलरी बनाने के मशीन्स हो, इस तरह के एग्जीबिटर यहाँ पे हिस्सा लेते हैं। उनमें से हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर है ड्यूइट कंपनी के पूजा शाह मैडम, चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर है। तो वो डिज़ाइन के बारे में, ड्यूइट के बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे। पूजा मैडम, महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता में स्वागत करता हूँ आपका। आज लास्ट दिन है आईआईजी शो का। तो आपकी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए और आप जो डिज़ाइन के बारे में उसके बारे में बताइए।
Okay, so basically Do It Design is about how we're innovating technology in the jewelry industry, how traditionally jewelry industry used to function and how it is evolving, how the jewelry industry is evolving with the help of technology. So we have launched India's first digital marketplace where customers can come on our platform and they can buy and sell designs in 3DM, STL and wax format. So often we found a big gap in the industry where a lot of freelancers have a lot of creativity and designers have a lot of creativity, but they do not have a platform where they can showcase that. For example, if there is a designer who wants to sell their designs, probably say in another part of the world, they're not able to because they are freelancers. They do not have that sort of reach. This is why we have started India's first digital marketplace where jewelry professionals can come on our platform and they can get a wider reach and they can get more revenue. Similarly for manufacturers as well, there are a lot of manufacturers and retailers who produce probably say 200 to 500 designs a month, but not all go to the production. So these get unused, right? And they are just lying down in your inventory. So we encourage you guys to come on our platform, sell your designs, expand your reach, expand your brand, and get more passive income from that. So yes, it's an amazing place to connect with all the jewelry professionals, and it's a global platform as well. So you can reach out to people from probably say Turkey, US, Canada, etc. We also have a rendering platform. This is another gap we saw in the industry where a lot of jewelry professionals are using expensive rendering platforms which takes a lot of time to render. So we have started an online based subscription platform where you can do your rendering and you can get high resolution images and videos in just a couple of clicks, where you can change your metal color, gemstones, studio environment, etc. So this is our second platform, and coming to our last platform, which is a recent collaboration with Samasan Tech. It is a software which helps you reduce gold weight. Right now we are seeing that the gold prices have shot up so much that a lot of people want lightweight jewelry, but they want it to look very heavy. So what we do is our software helps you keep the minimum thickness of the wall as per your parameters, but it helps you make the wall thickness uniform. So we also have a lot of features like azure cutting, bangle resizing, ring resizing. So it's a very good jewelry asset which is definitely going to make your production better, and it's going to save your time. It's also cost efficient. So do visit us at the IGS stall, and you can find us on Google, or you can also log on to our D4J. And all of this is made in India. So what happens a lot of times, we are copying a concept which is international. But this time, this is India's first digital marketplace. It's going to be a one-stop solution for everything. So do come and explore us. Thank you so much.
अच्छा पूजा जी, और एक शो कैसा लगा आपको? हाउ यू फील? और इस जो आपने डिज़ाइन के बारे में बताया, किस तरह उनको अप्रोच करना चाहती है?
The show is amazing. We've got a very good reach. We've gotten so many inquiries. A lot of curiosity is built with the people, and it was an amazing. We've got an amazing response. So I'm very, very happy because we have launched Do It Designs at the IGS show, and it's been so great so far, and I'm sure that it's gonna get even better.
Okay, last appeal that one visitors and your client.
Yeah, so come now, the show's over, so you guys can find us on Instagram and all the social media platforms. So yes, thanks a lot.
ओके, थैंक यू, वी आर कनेक्टिंग महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता एंड वेलकम यू।
Thank you.
थैंक यू। मैं हूँ रूपसनवनी, महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता, नेस्को सेंटर, IIG शो, मुंबई डू इट कंपनी के साथ।